Satellites 1, 2. Roger, proceed active. Mojo 82 Karachi. To proceed tactical. Tipu 3 at Karachi. Tipu 38, proceed and avoid from any range.
We are comfortable, we can make, inshallah.
Tipu 3 at Karachi, reporting. One 1140 copied, avoid Somiani range.
We are comfortable now and we are out of 3,500 for 3,000. Established ILS 25 left. Sir, we are established on ILS 25 left.
So you are 5 miles from touchdown, distance passing 3,500. Clear line 25 left.
Roger, Pakistan 830.
Itihad 9878, report Met B. Two 9878, contact Tehran 120.3, good day.
Just 3 going round.
9878, contact Tehran 120.3, good day.
traffic showing 1800 feet at descent.
Copied, sir. We are now trying to maintain, sir.
Contact Karachi, 126.5, good day.
For Pakistan 8303, we would like to come again for ILS 25 left.
So descend left heading 110, climb 3000.
Left heading confirm.
From left heading 110, climb 3000.
110, climb 3000, Pakistan 8303.
8303, you are jumping altitude 2000.
Sir, we have just give me 2000.
So maintain 2000. 8303, more traffic showing 1800 feet at descent.
Copied, sir. We are now trying to maintain, sir.
8303 approach.
Ji, sir.
Appears to be turning left.
While proceeding back, sir, we have lost engines.
Confirm you are carrying out belly landing. Runway available to land at 25.
Roger. Clear, Mayday, Pakistan 8303.
Pakistan 8303, Roger, sir. Both runways available to land.
935, contact Karachi, 126.5.
126.5, Etihad 935, Muslim.
Deepu 38, Karachi. Karachi.
Karachi, Assalamu alaikum, Etihad 935, flight level 390. Etihad 935.
Descend down to flight level 100 and we are ready for descent, sir. 220 for flight level 100, Alpha Mike Foxtrot.